Hi, my name is Maxine Booth and I'm from North London, grew up in Tottenham as well as Enfield. I'm a mother of two and I'm also your lymphatic drainage therapist, well, one of them anyway, as well as a director. Okay, MPA Rolling is one of our businesses that we have, which is under the umbrella of the larger company, which is called MPA. So it's just one of the branches from the tree. As a lymphatic drainage therapist, which I'm qualified, I had to travel abroad to do this. So I can honestly say that, you know, having these machines, it's very, very important that you actually understand the benefits, because you can actually do more damage than good if you're not using them correctly. I hear it all the time that people are using machines and not doing things correctly, and as I said, it can cause more damage than good. I've also got clients that, especially mature clients, where sometimes people feel not very comfortable with going to the gym and things like that. And I've had people cancel their gym membership to come to MPA Rolling because they know that it's private, they feel much more, just more secure in a sense. But at the same time, the machines go places the gym cannot go. And we are talking about armpit fat, we're talking about thighs rubbing, all sorts. So our machines do it. That's what they do, that's what they do. Where we are, it's very private, appointment only. We're open very long hours, from 10 till sometimes 8, 9 o'clock at night. But it's one of these things, more mature people will find that this helps speed up your metabolism, because we know that this slows down as we get more mature. For those that are going through even menopause and things like that, we know that our machines are there to help with bloatedness, to help with, as I said, just losing weight and just keeping the body healthy and more regulated, less mood swings, coming off of medication. I think people are telling me, oh, I don't do, what is it, HRT and all these different things that, you know, it really does help. Well, first of all, I love my machines. My machines have definitely helped de-stress me, which is the best bit for me, as well as obviously take me down a number of dress sizes. I started off on the machines, I was a size 12 to 14, and I just couldn't shift that extra weight. It just wouldn't, no matter what I did, I just couldn't get rid of it. But once I started using these machines, I've now gone back down to an 8. I've got curves in places I couldn't have dreamed of. So I'm really thankful for my machines. I love them. We have a number of different clientele. I mean, some are on a weight loss journey, some are trying to be more healthy, some people are trying to, you know, quickly do a quick fix because they're getting married next month or a couple of months away, and all different reasons. People have swelling. So all I can honestly say is the lymphatic machines do help with all of that, and it's done so gradually that sometimes people don't even notice that it's being done, and it's like, oh, I can put my boots on now, or oh my gosh, I've gone down a shoe size, and this is just really quite normal. And then you've got the other side of clients where on a weight loss journey, but for some reason they can't lose weight, which there's blockages sometimes in their system. So the machines actually help kind of loosen up and get rid of blockages, so it's easier for them to lose weight. It also speeds up your metabolism. It helps with going through a hormonal change, i.e. menopause, for instance. That helps, keeps you very balanced up. So some people are actually coming off of medication for that. I've heard, you know, people, oh, I'm not taking that anymore, Max. Oh, wonderful, great. And you can see the difference in them. It energizes you. Then we've got the other side of it, which is the cosmetic side as well, where people have had surgery and realized to themselves that, you know, the surgery may be changing ever so slightly. We have people that have had BBLs, so constantly find that things start to, you know, gravity takes place, and so things start going down, which once again our machines can lift that all up, keep it very tight, keep the tissues together, and also totally change the shape. Seeing people that have had swelling in their ankles and maybe on their wrists, our machines take the swelling down, and it takes it down permanently. As long as you're doing what you're supposed to be doing, which is drinking your water, these things can be eliminated totally. When it comes to some people just not being able to go to toilet regularly, for instance, or they've got poor blood circulation where they sometimes might be feeling tired all the time, the machines help. We've even got people that even have sickle cell, for instance, and lupus and things like this, which the machines genuinely help just keep these things at bay. And then we've got our more elderly clients, if you like. I mean, I think my eldest client that I have is actually 72 years old. She finds it very challenging just even getting out of the house, never mind going to the gym. And for those clients, we do help them. And you know, once you're building up muscle tone, you become more agile, you become more flexible, you just become more, just good to go. And that is another thing that our machines do. They give energy, 100%.
Have you got any other projects which you're working on, or what you doing?
Yeah, I can go on for ages. But I'm always working on something. As I said, I've been an entrepreneur pretty much from the age of 19. So I sing, I dance, I act. I do the whole shebang, as well as run a number of different agencies and businesses as well. My next big thing that I'm sure people will see is I sing, so I'll be expressing myself through my music. What I can say is I just want to just be the best human being I can be while I'm here. And I know I've got work to do, I know I've got purpose. And my biggest thing is that I do genuinely enjoy helping people where I can. It's something that's natural. When you've gone through certain things in life, I do believe that it's not always just for you, it's to help others at the same time as well. How can we be contacted? Quite easily. We've got plenty of social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, at the same time, or just visit our website, which is mparolling.co.uk.